Hey guys, this is Eric here. Today we're going to talk about Apple's AirPods Pro second generation. I have been using over the year iPhone for many years now. Started from Sony's XM1002. I don't know how Sony always named their things. And then I went to Bose QC35 Mark II, and I also have a pair of Bose NC700, which is currently my favorite iPhone. I've been eyeing these little things for quite some time now. When I go to places carrying my iPhone, it takes up quite a big space. Sony has their iPhones can be folded, which take a small amount of space, but the folding has been troublesome for the iPhone. My had been cracked after lightly used for about 4 months. So I definitely don't recommend that. Apple's Pro Max iPhone also have a case that doesn't bend the iPhone. It also doesn't cover anything. It's kind of weird. So in this box, there is the iPhone. I open up the case. Take out the iPhones. So there's this little thing. Oh, as I was showing you guys the iPhone, as soon as the iPhone is out of the case, it's already automatically connected to the iPhone. After you pair your iPhones with both your MacBook Pro and also your phone, the iPhones are ready to be used on both devices. As soon as you unpin your device, the iPhone it's already available for you to use on your phone, whatever app you want to use. But as soon as you turn on your phone, your iPhones are ready to be used on your computer. It's always good to have a couple pairs, so you can charge one and listen to the other. Use the other one to listen to the music. There are 4 ear tips. You can pick which one you think works for your ears. The case is really premium. The magnet works really well. This case has Apple Find My built in, so if you lose it, you can easily find it on your phone. The control of this thing is the same thing as the first generation of AirPods Pro. The only thing that's different is now you can swipe up and down to change the volume. Both left and right side of the iPhone has the touch control. This is something that none of my other iPhone does. All my other iPhone has only right hand side. I assume that everybody uses their right hand to control their iPhones. I went outside, tried it out. The noise cancelling is pretty good. It cancels out most stuff, especially when you have the music on. I still think the Bose NC700 has better noise cancelling. The Apple iPhone sounds really good by itself. When I first plugged it in, I was really surprised how good they sound for being what it is, a tiny earbud style iPhone. The NC700 from Bose still has far more superior sound. It sounds like you're more immersed in this world of music, and all the sounds more natural. The Apple iPhone has a really good mid-tone, and when it comes to like piano playing and stuff, sounds really good. But the bass isn't as low. The NC700 does have a EQ to it. This one, the EQ is adaptive, cannot be adjusted by the user ourselves. So you cannot be like, I like more bass, I turn on the bass. If they have software update, this could be better. The Apple's iPhone has a 30 hours battery life on the case, but the iPhone itself only has 6. 6 is actually really short if you think about it. Like if you are at home and you're in your studio and going to work, it won't last a whole work day. Like I think it's only ideal when you go on a quick walk, because it's not likely you're gonna exercise for 6 hours straight. There's one area of this iPhone really excels way better than Bose NC700. That is the directional part of this iPhone. When I was playing a video game, I was never able to so accurately hear exactly where my enemies are. Not only can I hear the 360 degree, I also can hear where they are from above and below. None of my other iPhones can ever get that accurate. Because of this, the AirPods Pro Air has become my favorite iPhones to wear when I play video games. Finally, we come back to this question. Can these $250 iPhones replace overhead headphones? My answer is yes and no. For convenience, for exercising, walks, workout, or even cooking, when one hand gets dirty, you control with the other hand. This headphone is better for those scenarios. For people working at home or in their office, both NC700 is still going to be the better headphone because it just sounds more immersive and sounds better, lower bass, and so on. They're only $130 different. That's not a lot of difference. Depending on your use, you might want to pick up one or the other headphones. I will have both of these headphones down in the description with the links, and you guys can go check them out. And I highly recommend both of these headphones. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you guys next time.